Hello and welcome. I'm standing in a home office, an unlikely factory floor for a new kind of industrial revolution, one powered by data and algorithms. Today we're diving into how AI tools are transforming passive income in 2025. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building real automated systems that generate value. We'll explore 7 practical methods, ranging from AI-generated content to automated investing, each offering a unique path to passive income. The goal, a clear, actionable map of what's possible, what's required, and how you can get started. Let's begin. First up, creating and selling AI-generated content. AI tools like Mid-Journey and Stable Diffusion let anyone generate stunning images from simple prompts. The real opportunity? Finding a niche, like unique patterns for print on demand or themed icon packs for designers. Build a portfolio, upload to marketplaces like Etsy or Shutterstock, and let the platforms handle sales and delivery. The same applies to writing. Use AI to draft niche blog posts, then refine and publish on platforms like Medium. Once you have a library of content, it can earn revenue long after you hit publish. Video is next. AI can generate short clips or animated avatars to narrate scripts. Think calming nature scenes with AI-composed music monetized on YouTube. The key: AI multiplies your creativity and reach. Success means thinking like a product manager, researching keywords, understanding demand, and developing a unique style. The process: identify a niche, master the AI tool, build a portfolio, and upload to automated marketplaces. The upfront work is real, but once your digital inventory is live, it can sell for months or years. Remember, the passive part is in the automation of sales and delivery, not in skipping the work of creation. With the right approach, AI-generated content can become a foundational layer of passive income. Focus on quality, consistency, and market fit. The more you refine your process, the more scalable your results. AI is your creative partner, not a replacement for strategy. Build once, sell repeatedly. That's the new model. Next, let's talk about building AI-powered websites. AI website builders now let you launch a professional site in minutes, no coding required. The real opportunity is in niche sites. Focus on a specific topic with low competition. Use AI to generate articles, reviews, and guides, then act as editor-in-chief to ensure quality and SEO. Monetize with display ads like Google AdSense or affiliate marketing, earning commissions from product recommendations. Once your site attracts traffic, ads and affiliate links generate income automatically. The model is scalable. Replicate your workflow to build a portfolio of micro-niche sites, each earning small streams of revenue. AI can even automate content updates, keeping your sites fresh with minimal effort. Initial setup takes research and content creation, but maintenance is light. Your websites become digital assets working for you 24/7. The secret: specificity, quality, and smart automation. Start with one site, refine your process, then scale up. With AI, anyone can become a digital publisher. Build, automate, and let your sites earn while you focus on new opportunities. That's the power of AI-driven web assets. Now let's move to business-to-business custom AI chatbots. Modern chatbots, powered by large language models, can handle customer questions 24/7. No coding needed. Use platforms like VoiceFlow or Custom GPT to build bots tailored to a business's needs. Set up the bot, train it on company data, and license it for a monthly fee. After the initial setup, your ongoing work is minimal, just occasional updates. Scale by offering bots to multiple businesses. Each one pays a recurring fee. You're building a software-as-a-service business without a dev team. Target businesses with lots of repetitive inquiries. Plumbers, clinics, online stores. You're not just selling tech, you're solving real business problems. The more bots you license, the more passive your income becomes. It's recurring revenue powered by AI. Education is being transformed by AI, and so is online course creation. Use AI to brainstorm, structure, and script your course, saving hours of planning and writing. AI can generate custom visuals, quizzes, and even marketing copy. Host your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. They handle payments, hosting, and student access. Once live, your course sells repeatedly with little extra effort. Add an AI-powered chatbot to answer student questions, automating support. The result: a highly automated, scalable education business. Your expertise and personality remain central. AI just amplifies your reach. The upfront work is significant, but the payoff is ongoing sales. Focus on authenticity and quality. Students buy from you, not the AI. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on teaching. Build once, teach many. That's the AI-powered course model. E-commerce is evolving fast, thanks to AI. AI tools now automate product research, finding trending items with high profit potential, use AI to write product descriptions, generate ad copy, and create marketing images, even without physical products. Automate inventory and pricing. AI adjusts listings and prices in real time. Deploy AI chatbots for customer service, handling questions and returns 24/7. Dropshipping and print-on-demand models benefit most. You never touch inventory. Your job: design the storefront, drive traffic, and let AI handle the rest. The result: a streamlined, mostly hands-off e-commerce business. Focus on strategy and growth, not daily operations. Build your store, automate the systems, and let it run. AI turns your shop into a passive asset. Sell while you sleep. For many, the ultimate passive income is investing. AI-powered robo-advisors now build and manage portfolios automatically. Fill out a questionnaire, fund your account, and the AI handles diversification, rebalancing, and even tax loss harvesting. No need for financial expertise or constant monitoring. The system works in the background, applying proven investment strategies. Set up recurring deposits for steady, long-term growth. It's the most hands-off income stream. No marketing, no customer service. The trade-off: slow, steady gains, not overnight riches. Research platforms for fees and performance before you start. Trust the algorithm, but stay informed. Let your money work for you automatically. That's AI-powered investing. The most technical but scalable option: build and license your own AI tool or API. Create a specialized AI service like generating real estate listings or classifying legal docs. Wrap it in an API and let other businesses pay to use it. Revenue is usage-based, to charge per API call or offer monthly subscriptions. The system runs itself. API requests, billing, and delivery are all automated. Upfront work is significant: programming, training, and documentation. But platforms like Hugging Face and cloud AI services make it more accessible. Focus on a niche problem and deliver real value. Once launched, your main job is maintenance and marketing. The API becomes a digital asset, earning while you sleep. Build once, license endlessly. It's the ultimate in passive, scalable income. There you have it. 7 ways to generate passive income with AI in 2025. Each path requires upfront work, but AI drastically lowers the barrier and automates the rest. The revolution is in the leverage: build once, earn repeatedly. Pick the method that fits your skills and interests and start experimenting. The tools are evolving fast. Learn by doing. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more on tech and earning. Thanks for watching.